Students, and the task for today is to upload a folder in Power BI, and the prerequisites that you need to consider before uploading a Power folder to Power BI. What you need to do is, in sample way, I have created a folder that's with the name of new folder. From here, what I have done is I have made 6 different Excel sheets, assuming these are the daily sales of a company for 6 days. Right, so in sample you can see one sheet. For example, this is the sheet with serial number, and these are the products that are sold, and the price of each product, and the quantity that is sold, and the sales amount that is for today. And how now what we have done is we have prepared these kind of sheets for every day in a sample sheet. So what Power BI does is, now imagine these are the 6 different reports that has been generated by any software, or might be the data that has been created, or a file that has been imported from a software, and all the outputs which you load into Power BI. The magic of Power BI will do is it will altogether combine all these Excel sheet into one sheet for better and easiest way of doing analysis. Let's take. So open your Power BI. It is as usual, click on get data. Here you will find the folder option in more section. From the more section, identify folder, click on connect. Once you click on connect, you can see this pop-up asking you for the folder path. Simply click on browse, and my data was saved in desktop, and the name of the folder is the new folder that is here. So click on OK. Now what it does, it will take us to the desktop and to the new folder. Click on OK. What Power BI does is, now it will go to the folder and identify the list of sheets that are available over here. Alright, so now you can see the list is D1, D2, D3, D4, D5 and D6, and there were many options that you come across while loading your Power BI folders. Is that one is click on combine. You can see combine and transform data. Now in case if you need to make more number of modifications, you need to click on combine and transform data. It is as simple. If you need to load the data, click on combine and load. So, and the next one is transform data, where you can append or match. Let's go deeper later. And for today, what we need to do is simply click on combine and load. The minute you click on combine and load, it will run a query, and this query will do all the append activities, all the tables. Now for example, you can see here what is the first file. Say I want to fix my first file as day 1 file, and from day 1 it will start adding all the tables at one instance. Now you can see this is table 1 and this is sheet number 1, right, in anyhow. So after that, click on OK, and it is running its query. Once the query is done, taking some time to merge the file, append the files together, and the query is run across, and you can see the data folder all over here, that is new folder. Click on table view. Now you can see all the data has been pop up. The first table will be day 1 and the last table will be day 6. So what it has done, it added one more source column. For this particular source column, it has added the serial number of every day, product name, price, quantity and sales. This concepts of attaching tables is called as append in regular topics, and this is how we load up. And we also need to check in the model view. There is no specific models, being the all tables are fixed together as one. That's the kind, right? Now let's go back to table view, right? This is how we need to load Excel files into folder into data tab.